Master regular verbs in English. A journey through contexts. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into the exciting world of English regular verbs. As we all know, mastering verbs is an integral part of learning English, and regular verbs, with their predictable patterns, offer us a comforting starting point. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sentence construction skills, let's dive in. To kick things off, let's define regular verbs. These are the verbs that follow a consistent pattern when we change them to past simple or past participle form. Simply put, we just add ed or d to the base form of the verb. An example of this could be the verb walk. The past simple and past participle forms are walked. It's as simple as that. Next, we're going to explore some common regular verbs and how to use them in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. Ask. We use this verb when we need information. For example, I asked her about the concert. 2. Bake. This verb is used when we're talking about cooking in an oven. For example, she baked a cake for my birthday. 3. Call. We use call when we're reaching out to someone. For example, I called my friend after school. Remember, the past forms of these verbs would simply be asked, baked, and called. Understanding how regular verbs function in different contexts is key to mastering their usage. Here are 3 common contexts where we can use regular verbs. 1. Narrating past events. When we recount things that have happened, regular verbs often play a significant role. For instance, yesterday, I visited my grandmother and we baked cookies together. 2. Describing habits or routines. Regular verbs are essential when talking about repeated actions. For example, I jog every morning to stay fit. 3. Making polite requests. Regular verbs can also be used to politely ask someone to do something. For example, could you pass me the salt, please? And that's a wrap on regular verbs. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to use these regular verbs in your day-to-day conversations and written communications. It's by using them frequently that you'll master them effortlessly. I hope this video has shed some light on how to use regular verbs in English. As always, keep practicing, stay curious, and continue this beautiful journey of language learning. See you in our next lesson.